Clean air. Purify your home with $50. Affordable and effective with less than $50. Do it yourself in 5 minutes. First, buy a 20-inch fan, 3-speed box style. You can buy online or at your favorite store with around $20. Second, buy an air filter size 20-inch by 20-inch or larger. MELV 13 or MPR 2200 or FPR 10. As you can see, air filter ratings, filters higher than MELV 13 or FPR 10 filter 95% or more bacteria and virus. Here is a standard air filter rating table. We will go through the details. Air filters higher rating than MELV 13, APR 10, or MPL 1900 or 2200 will filter lint, household dust, pollen, dust mites debris, mold spores, smoke, smog, cough and sneeze, bacteria, virus carriers. So you can have a clean air with these filters. You can buy a 20 by 20 by 1 filter, good brands MELV 13 at between $15 to $25, or 3M MPR 1900 $2,200 between $20 to $30. Third, install the filter behind the fan. You may tape the fan and the filter. I turn on at maximum speed when I leave the room. As you can see in this video, the filter remains in place when the fan is running. The filter will get dirty after 3 to 6 months of use. It's time to replace. An example of an extreme situation: 15 days use in Los Angeles with wildfire 2020, the filter gets gray. I have verified with an expensive air purifier if this do-it-yourself $50 works. Yes, it works. A 400 square feet room after 1 and 1.5 and 2.5 hours. The red sign changed to blue. Also, you can install the filter on a window fan. Special care will be needed in rainy or snow season. Once a week, I spray hand sanitizer, 72% alcohol, to disinfect the filter. Coronavirus out. Enjoy clean air without worrying about money. Thank you for watching. Enjoyed? Please like and subscribe. EasyStudy101.com. Kevin from LA. Thank you.